Yoboikerano ime county Nyamira nigo omugabana we county ya Nyamira Amos yari banyarakoba wikirana asomaiga buko yigora bene eskuru yobobunde ya Nyamwange iyo erachikobage kwenike yanyare kobage gosira bana kurwase county yirinde banyarakoba kwenyorera amaigerio yobobundia
nigo nyari babirga kulira yo kweneke buna nachigosira ebirengo byekisemiane na se county ya Nyamira eskuru eyo niga yabage kwigorwa emyaka ebere ya etire ne amateyemo iyo ibne anasenchireyemo iyo korokoboko gosekwira nyo koboko gochia se ekenyoro aseboigo baba kwerera egati yemerobere babwate yokwendeke abuna eskuru eyo yabereye gegosirwa asimono baba kubwatoka chibese chire chishiringe achiribu chimibere na 50 echo chirabe chigosira emerobere aho naboigo aborokiwa aseskuru eyo getamkiro kyabage kogokerwa nabanke
umuriki oito Paul Kapokara nanyara koba wikirana somaiga oyo nagotwarganero batyo kubatia
nasomojiga bukwigora bene skurega yobubunde ya Nyamwange yugotukeme yekinyoreke kya mecho ime ye wadi ya Esise ye bunge yega burabu yiwikiranwamo no mugavana we county Nyamira Moske Amos Kimominyalibo
yaro tuwaji bandera ibera ya Kenya ya America
eskure yiga eyo yayigoletwe emyaka ebere ya etire nigo yayigoletwe korengana monekerenga kya mateyega ya Nyamwange elyo komusikomo wa Nyamwange asaba semetie kwene kibunankwire nyabale halibe somire ocha segesaku nago twerera na Joseph Nyamwange oyu olemo president munene we skuru yiga.
Our legacy is the same. They've been praying for you guys, caring for you guys just as much as I have. And if we are going to achieve what God wants from us, we have to understand that we need each other.
Nesukure kurwa megeri bene ayo akwenda no moli wa masomo ye kyale kya makyaje yiga yubu yamanyekana na CBC yendokorenga na muntu mugabana we county Nyamira Moske Amos Kimominyalibo asigetire aborokiwa kurwa se county ya Nyamira kwene kibunangwe bwatane baramuneche sukuru cyobobundia eligwe konya samatuko alebosyo
abantu baito barabakobo omuntu ago jobisi ukobori yo mwane gazi wako matekara mwile training roli gacho ale kozi yayi ona wateba kara mwana kwa busa gata to mwana ya busa ibango mwile kozi ila mafanya asimono iga abantu batigire karo ile kozi na maana university abantu batigire university baje baza vocational training
nigo boigo babwatani bande bekirina saje igane na ubanje tegisemi batogya egetambukireke igage sukuru ye asebatebire nigo kirakonya abana ili kwegenderera nago segeta abana kwibwatanya mune cisukuru cyobobundia.
You must keep well, study, use, read the whole thing, do the best work you can do.
We are working closely with the ministry and elsewhere. I'm happy, Mr. Machola, you talked about the CBC, and that is the animal in the house. And we all have a responsibility of ensuring that it succeeds.
Okwana bwekere kyo mugavana we county niga tebirumna nigo badigete guchunyara kwa bakubwatana amone skuru yiga elikwene kibunango tambe yebale bokole bwabo kya savana elikwenyorera ayega onsi.
Kwa manyega aziyoko boko. Ekaro engineer gurare structure engineer already know what the basics. Kamuranja bantu baito. Tawo takabana wenu wabuze ekaro bwato bongo baraso lulu igendo kera makonye. We have come far. Let's stand together. Those from USA, thank you for coming. This is your home.
Omwele oye umugavana we county Nyamira Moske Amos Kimominyalibo nigalire iranga nachikunyara kabaga kubwatoke basarigo cyase omurubiri rwo gosomya abana kurase county Nyamira aboli tukolia ankyo oyo orachikunyara kabago kwera cishilingi $1,50,000 52 eriko bakonya abana bayigaba ngaini kurwase cinge ciga kitari kwenyara.
Tomorrow we are giving about 70 million to less privileged students across the Nyamira County. Tomorrow. You may ask why it's a new
Iginko ripoti regetaseni kia wanchete kia ndize TV kurugi Gaston Semechi gache wadi ya Sise imeye bunge yega ya Burabu imeye kaunti ya Nyamira inche konguruko Polycarp Okara.
Kwimona sana omuliki oito Paul Kapokara Evelyn onye ne amate anyarete kwa bayigo chakie skuru yo Burundi